I've been on keto for a year, but this trip was the real test. Let's see how I did. Breakfast was actually the easiest win: eggs, sausage, and yes, even eggs Benedict, just without the muffin. In the dining room, I went fancier: poached eggs with salmon. I skipped the toast, of course. Now, lunch was my sweet spot. Tacos, absolutely. Burrito bowls, oh yeah, stacked with chicken, pork, or beef, just no rice or beans. The barbecue station, that was heaven. Two meats and some slaw, no guilt. But at the port stops, that's where I loosened up. In Cozumel, I had grilled shrimp, and okay, I shared a fish taco. And in Yucatan, I went full tourist: shrimp tempura, grilled octopus, even a bite of shrimp pizza. Not keto at all, but hey, it was worth it. Dinners were a balancing act. Steak with green beans, perfect. Just shove those mashed potatoes off the plate. Braised pork, coffee glazed duck, same story. Skip the mash. One night I even had frog legs with butter. Oh, and French onion soup loaded with melted cheese. That was basically keto in disguise. For dessert, I tried to behave. No sugar-added tiramisu, cheese plates, things that at least pretended to be keto-friendly. But let's be real, I wasn't perfect. On day one, I caved with a Bloody Mary. And yes, there may have been some wine involved every day. Don't judge, it was a cruise. So, did I stay 100% keto? Not really. But with all the walking, swimming, and running around the ship, it balanced out. Honestly, I think if you've got the right mindset, you can stay keto on a cruise. I just chose to stay keto-ish. Have you ever tried to keep low carb on vacation? Did you crush it, or did the dessert table win? Drop your strategies in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more travel tips. Until next time, bon voyage, keto style.